Yeah.
Oh shit.
Flash got it.
You heard that shit? That shit is mint. So we're literally doing some pulls and it's just like it stopped boosting. Has to go more to the left. Oh shit, it has to be more down.
Hold on, before you go further.
It has to be like way more down. Ah, fuck.
Wait, don't you need the long socket though? No. Pass me that bracket. Pass me that bracket. But I'm scared it's gonna hit this. That's why it was that way. You get me?
So we're back here with the GTI. One of the, what's the thing called again? One of the flanges is like rubbing to something, and we still don't know what it's rubbing to. But when he turns, it starts rubbing. He's on fire, right?
Yeah, don't.
Holy shit! So yeah, we're gonna wait for it to cool down and fix one of the flanges. So I need something to like unbuckle it.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we finally took this part of the downpipe out again. This thing yesterday was like one color, now it's like has a nice blue on it. So how hot it was getting, bro. Ooh. So yeah, what I was telling him is that we should literally just have this facing up out of the hood and just start spitting flames, and that's it. You get the max power. So what we need to do right now is that we're putting this in, but it has to be more. It's in like this right now, but it has to be a little bit more like this. That way the bottom side of the downpipe doesn't scrape the firewall and the other things are there when he's turning. So we gotta figure this out. All right, so we just got everything on, back on together. It was literally a little bolt that was tied on to like the firewall type. It was like tied to the firewall, right? It was like what was holding the firewall down, and it was hitting the tube like right on it, so we're off by like this much. So we got everything clamped up again.
You can't call victory yet.
Yeah, so we're gonna
that's the only thing that was rubbing.
Yeah, we're gonna test it out right now. We still gotta get it off the ramp, drive it and turn it to see if it's actually working or not. Yeah. Through your limb mode?
Yeah.
What the fuck? It's not boosting, right? I didn't hit it. Literally doing some pulls and it's just like it stopped boosting. You think it's out?
Yeah.
You think it's probably out?
Why you gonna censor if we don't throw the code?
Nah, that's on there.
You want it?
Yeah.
Jen throw me a code right here.
But you guys fix the downpipe?
Somewhat.
Somewhat, like it still rubs a little bit, but not as bad as yesterday.
Alright, just trying to fix that one.
I'm about to get on.
Just floor it like in second and to third, and if it doesn't happen, you're good.
Boosting again.
It's working now, right? Yeah, now it's working.
It's working. Pulls, second gear pulls, and I guess he just threw me to limb mode. I checked everything was fine. And then I just
Coolant, perfect. The oil goes through there, and with the valve, it's called the valve cylinder thing. Yeah. So like the thing goes like this, so it makes sure that it cleans the oil. It's like a filter. And so sometimes what happens is that the gunk of the oil stays inside the filter. So usually you have to clean it, put it back in, reset the thing, and it'll show it off, or clean it, and we gotta go and get my dad's thing, make sure that the circuit works and it's going up and down. We'll have to see, but this thing has to cool down. Okay, so we're only able to take this one out. Well, so far it's really hot. This one we can't even get the freaking thing to it, because this hose is kind of in a way, but we're not really sure what that thing carries. And this is really hot. Ah, yo, it's so hot. I don't know if this is smart. You got it?
is.
Yeah, dripping oil. try to cover it.
Yeah, clean that oil off your engine.
Hmm? Kind of wanted to do this when it was not that hot because I want to prevent this, but we're kind of stubborn, so yeah. But it looks clean. So the last test we got to do is make sure that it goes up and down. That it works. But we still got to check this one and the other one. Cause yeah, there's no gunk built up. No, we put it up, but we have to leave the towel there. Make sure like all the oil from this. Ah, fuck! I messed up again. Yeah, I don't think it'll come out.
Yeah, it does.
Cause the hose is there. Yo, the hose is in the way.
There's no shot. Stop.
Well, it looks clean.
And we can test it from there.
Yo, I cannot believe this hose is in the way.
Cool.
Look, I'll hold the hose and just open it and slide the things to the side. But I mean, I think it's clean though. Cause fuck, it's clean from here. We still have just the other filter to go to look at. Cause we see the bottom one there and it's clean. I'm going for it. Oh.
What?
Yep, that's coolant coming out. It's coming out, literally coming out already. So that's the problem we're having right now, guys.
Yeah,
We
put this in there.
If we pull that hose, hold up.
So it's not going in though.
What?
Oh, okay, that's right.
If we pull that hose, all the coolant is gonna come out flying and the engine's still kind of hot. But we're just missing one filter to look at to see if there's gunk or not. But we still have to test it out with that to make sure that it's working properly. But I feel like if this one works, that one should work. They both gotta do it?
No, just put the red one first and then the black one go. Yeah.
Yeah, it's working. Alright, it's working perfect. It gives me the code that one's not working when we just put in with the cable and there's no gunk on it. So I think
Your
it might be
still hot.
Yeah, I think it might just be a computer problem because why would it give me that code if it's perfectly fine? So we think it might just give us the same thing when this one's perfectly fine. So we're not gonna waste our time in really doing that. Damn, this feels so weird being. Yo, there's so much space here.
Yeah, it's weird.
What? I have hella space here. We're good, boys. We're good. We're still rolling.
That's so scary! I don't like that. That's not for me. I don't like banging gears.
That was so funny. That was so funny.
I don't fucking like that.
The thing is that
How do you make that not happen?
you gotta let go of the clutch slowly.
Oh.
You can't let go like that. Yeah, that's what I was gonna explain to you right now. When you go, it's second. It's literally just second gear.
That does.
If you get out too hard, but if you go nice and easy, it's se la sale suave.
I'm gonna take out my car, so.
Dale, I'll let you know. I just love that pop when I freaking double clutch. It is beautiful. Oh shit. Here.